Hi, my name is Lei'Mya from McKinley Elementary, and I'm going to tell you about Sofia Martinez and the secret recipe. I picked this book because every kid needs to know about cooking and how to cook. At the beginning, Sofia's grandma asked her to go get the one with the jar with the red lid, and instead she got the wrong one. And when they tasted it, Sofia thought it tasted awful. She was like, well, I realized that I put the wrong recipe and it's really salt. I put salt instead of her secret recipe. We have to make a new one. Oh no, we have to make a new one. Grandma had already tasted it and she made a new batch. Sofia felt bad, but Grandma said it was okay, but they had 2 batches. Look for this book at your local library. What are you reading?